Imagine you're walking alone at night and suddenly feel someone watching you, or you sense danger before you even see it. Is this just paranoia, or do humans have a hidden sixth sense? Can humans truly sense danger, detect someone staring at them, or even predict changes in the environment? Is the sixth sense just a myth, or is there science behind it? Let's unravel the mystery. The sixth sense has long been associated with mysticism, an ability to sense danger, detect invisible forces, or predict events. But is it real or just a myth? The term sixth sense often refers to an ability beyond the traditional five senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. This could include intuition, extrasensory perception, or a heightened ability to detect subtle changes in the environment. While extrasensory perception and psychic phenomena remain unproven, science has identified additional sensory capabilities in humans that could be considered a sixth sense. First up, proprioception, your body's GPS. This is your ability to sense the position and movement of your body parts without looking at them. This sense lets you know where your body parts are without looking. For example, you can touch your nose with your eyes closed because of proprioception. It relies on sensors in muscles, joints, and the inner ear. Proprioception is essential for movement and coordination, using sensors in your muscles and joints to keep you aware of your body's position. Next, vestibular sense, your balance system. The inner ear contains the vestibular system, which helps maintain balance and spatial orientation. Ever feel dizzy after spinning? That's your vestibular system trying to stabilize you. It's why you can walk without falling over and detect when you're tilting or spinning. Without this sense, even walking in a straight line would be impossible. Next, interoception, or internal body awareness. Interoception allows you to sense what's happening inside your body, such as hunger, thirst, or the need to use the bathroom. Interoception links your physical sensations to your emotions, influencing how you react to the world. For instance, you might feel your heart racing when anxious. That gut feeling you get when you're anxious, that's interoception at work. Next, thermoception, or temperature sensation. Your skin has specialized receptors to detect changes in temperature, helping you sense heat and cold. You instinctively move away from something too hot or too cold. Thermoception keeps your body safe by alerting you to environmental extremes. Next, Nociception, or pain perception. Pain perception is a distinct sense that alerts you to injury or potential harm, guiding protective actions. Stepping on a sharp object triggers this protective sense. Some people with rare genetic conditions can't feel pain, which can be dangerous. Lastly, Magnetoreception, or sensing magnetic fields. Some studies suggest humans may have a faint ability to detect Earth's magnetic fields, though this is still under debate. While animals like birds rely on this for migration, scientists are still debating whether humans possess this capability. Is intuition a sixth sense? Can you sense danger before it happens? Science suggests intuition isn't magical. It's rooted in how your brain processes information. Intuition, often described as a gut feeling or the ability to sense danger, is not fully understood but has scientific underpinnings. How is this possible? First up, cognitive processing or subconscious processing. Your brain is like a supercomputer, analyzing tiny details you may not consciously notice, like someone's micro expressions or body language. The brain processes vast amounts of information subconsciously, leading to feelings of intuition. For example, if someone gives off subtle signs of aggression, your brain might detect these cues even if you aren't consciously aware of them. Second, interoception. Sensations from internal organs, such as a racing heart or a gut feeling, are often linked to intuitive reactions. That gut feeling, when something feels off, is your body reacting to internal cues like a racing heart or tense muscles. Lastly, pattern recognition. Experienced individuals, such as firefighters or doctors, often rely on intuition to make rapid decisions because their brains recognize patterns from past experiences. Could your gut instinct save your life someday? Are human sensory superpowers fact or fiction? Some people have extraordinary abilities that push the limits of human senses. First up, heightened senses. Some people develop sharper senses, such as enhanced hearing or vision, due to genetics, training, or compensatory mechanisms. For example, blind individuals often have heightened auditory abilities. Some people can hear higher frequencies or see more shades of color due to genetic variations. Then there's synesthesia, a rare condition where one sense triggers another. Imagine seeing sounds or tasting colors or associating smells with memories. For some, music doesn't just sound good, it looks beautiful. Next, echolocation. Some blind individuals use echolocation, producing clicking sounds to navigate their surroundings, similar to bats and dolphins. This incredible skill allows them to detect objects and avoid obstacles. And let's not forget empathy and emotional sensitivity. Mirror neurons in the brain allow people to sense and empathize with the emotions of others, creating a kind of emotional radar. What if your brain's hidden abilities could make you a real-life superhero? Let me know in the comments. Can humans predict events? While psychic abilities are not supported by scientific evidence, there are examples of humans appearing to predict events. Some individuals report feeling uneasy or sensing changes before earthquakes, possibly due to subtle environmental shifts like vibrations or pressure changes. The amygdala, a part of the brain involved in fear, may detect threats before the conscious mind recognizes them. Could the brain's subconscious processing explain these psychic moments? Humans aren't the only creatures with incredible senses. Animals often display sensory abilities far beyond those of humans, such as sharks detecting electric fields generated by other organisms. Birds use magnetoreception to navigate during migration. Dogs can smell medical conditions, such as cancer or diabetes. While humans lack many of these extreme capabilities, studies suggest we may have dormant or underdeveloped versions of some of these senses. While animals seem to outshine us, could we unlock dormant sensory abilities in the future? Where does the future of sixth sense research stand? Technology-enhanced senses, like wearable devices and brain-machine interfaces, may one day expand human sensory capabilities, allowing us to sense electromagnetic fields or detect subtle environmental changes. Further research into whether humans can detect magnetic fields might uncover hidden sensory abilities. Advances in neuroscience may reveal more about subconscious processing, intuition, and the brain's ability to synthesize information from multiple senses. The more we study the brain, the closer we get to understanding intuition, pattern recognition, and subconscious sensory processing. Humans may not have a sixth sense in the mystical sense, but our bodies are equipped with additional sensory systems that go beyond the traditional five. These senses, combined with the brain's incredible processing power, often make us feel as though we have superhuman abilities. As science continues to uncover the mysteries of human perception, we may learn that our sensory world is far richer than we ever imagined. So, the next time you feel a gut instinct, trust that it's your brain and body working in harmony. What hidden ability do you think you might have? Let us know in the comments. See you next time. Keep watching MedGroww and take care of yourself.